Hi, T-Master 500 here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Zippo lighter I got at a cigarette shop today, and I have been craving to do it. I put some lighter fuel in it. Now here we go. This is a very nice, it's black with a white girl on it. I like that ting, the Zippo ting, and I love it because it has high flameage. The only bad thing is don't think you can make out the words, but right here it says B and 07, and the insert says E of 07. Yeah, but I like that ting. I got some other Zippo products. I have the Flint, which I like because it's cool. Because it's gold, and I like the color gold. Yeah. And close it. I got some Zippo lighter fuel, and as you see is that. Never mind. This has a different scent than the Ronson fuel. It burns cleanly. I love it. I have some Zippo wicks, which are about 69 cents at a cigarette shop. I got these for 69 cents. So, like, these two. Now, to do something cool. Now, if I can open this. Here we go. I like fire. This is cool. It just burns the fuel away. It doesn't burn the wood. I like it. Nice fire. There you go. Please subscribe. Thanks.